This video breaks every rule about ice cream makers. After reviewing expert lab tests from CNN and Ice Cream Science, I found something crazy. A $70 Cuisinart outperforms machines costing $700. But here's what nobody tells you. Choose wrong and you'll waste $300 on features you'll never use. Choose right and you're eating gelato shop quality tonight. The difference? One critical factor that has nothing to do with price. I'm ranking all 6 models by actual performance data, not marketing hype. Product links are in the description below. What I reveal at number 1 will change how you think about these machines forever. Number 6, Cuisinart Ice M101. Pint Wonder. Most people skip this model because too small scares them off. That's wrong. This 3-pound machine makes 2 cups of finished ice cream in 20 minutes. Perfect for singles, couples, or anyone who actually eats their ice cream before freezer burn hits. When's the last time you finished that half gallon before it turned into an icy brick? The genius? Storage efficiency. Cord wraps inside the motor. Lid stacks on top. Total footprint is 7 by 7 inches. You'll actually use this because it doesn't hijack cabinet space. Here's what nobody tells you at $30. The plastic lid mechanism fails after 18 months of regular use. Multiple owner reports confirm this, but at this price, you're buying disposable convenience. The critical detail? It needs -4 degrees Fahrenheit, not the standard 0 most home freezers maintain. That difference explains runny results. Check your actual freezer temperature first. The wide ingredient funnel handles pea-sized mix-ins perfectly. Crushed cookies work great. Mini chocolate chips are perfect. Whole nuts get crushed by paddle rotation. This excels with high-fat vanilla and chocolate bases. Those freeze fastest, producing smaller crystals. Struggles with low-fat yogurt and alcohol-infused recipes. The single-speed motor can't compensate for slower freezing chemistry. That simple on-off switch eliminates programming confusion but removes precision control. Making delicate sorbets? You're monitoring manually. Question: are you making ice cream solo or feeding a family? Comment below because household size determines your perfect model. Now, here's something weird about soft serve that most people completely miss. Number 5, Cuisinart ICE-48. Mix it in soft serve. This shouldn't work at home. Commercial soft serve machines cost $3,000 minimum. This costs $180. Yet the pull handle uses the exact same dispensing mechanism scaled for residential use. The paddle spins at 55 RPM, creating 40% air incorporation, identical to Dairy Queen's formula. Verified engineering specs. 3 topping dispensers. Each holds 6 ounces. Warming station for hot fudge. Cone holder mounts on the side. Complete ice cream parlor theater. The reality? 8 separate parts require correct assembly. That instruction manual isn't optional. The dispensing mechanism contains small gears that trap cream. Post-production cleaning takes 15 focused minutes with bottle brushes. That warming station? Store-bought hot fudge barely reaches lukewarm after 25 minutes. The heating element can't generate enough wattage for thick chocolate. Pre-warmed caramel works adequately. The freezer bowl demands 24 hours at -4 degrees minimum. Rush this, and your soft serve turns to soup within 10 minutes. Capacity measures 1.5 quarts before churning. Final yield approaches 2 quarts. Feeds 4 adults generously, 6 children adequately. Where this dominates? Family entertainment. Kids completely lose their minds pulling that handle. The 3 topping compartments create customization theater. Parents control exact ingredients. No corn syrup. No artificial colors. Pure transparency. Would you pay double for authentic soft serve dispensing? Or stick with traditional scooping? Drop your preference below with reasoning. Here's where I need to tell you something that contradicts everything you think you know about ice cream makers. Number 4, Cuisinart ICE-21P1. This $70 machine just destroyed a $500 competitor in CNN's testing lab. Not pretty close? Destroyed. Ice Cream Science's independent testing confirmed identical results. The ICE-21P1 makes smoother ice cream than everything, except the $700 Lelo 4080. A $70 machine matching results requiring 10 times the investment. The secret? Pure physics. Smaller bowl volume creates faster heat extraction. Faster extraction forms smaller ice crystals. Smaller crystals deliver smoother texture. This isn't marketing spin. This is reproducible thermodynamics. Typical churn time runs 15 to 20 minutes. The ICE-30BC takes 25. The ICE-100 needs 30. Those extra minutes allow larger crystal formation, creating perceivable graininess. The non-negotiable requirement: your freezer bowl must hit -26 degrees Celsius. Standard home freezers max at -18. That 8-degree difference, night and day for texture, serious enthusiasts invest in chest freezers specifically for deeper cold. The motor design borders on genius. Instead of the paddle spinning, the base rotates the entire bowl. This eliminates gear slippage completely. Zero stalling on thick, nut-heavy bases. Zero motor burnout. Reliability testing shows real-world longevity. Users report 10 plus years of daily operation. No digital displays to fail, no circuit boards to corrode. Pure mechanical operation means dramatically lower failure rates. The build quality? That heavy-duty motor has been field tested for over a decade. The paddle uses rigid BPA-free plastic resisting warping. The bowl coating maintains nonstick properties through hundreds of cycles. The downside, noise level. Kitchen blender on medium speed continuously. Conversation becomes difficult in the same room. Plan your timing accordingly. Cleaning requires 5 minutes. The bowl interior features smooth aluminum with 0 crevices. Hot water rinses everything instantly. Paddle goes top rack dishwasher. That's number 4. But number 3 adds something crucial that changes everything for families. Number 3, Cuisinart ICE-70P1. Cool creations. This model does something the ICE-21P1 physically cannot, it thinks. That LCD control panel runs 3 dedicated programs. Ice cream mode operates at 65 RPM, incorporating 22% air. Gelato mode drops to 50 RPM, creating denser 11% air content. Sorbet mode maintains 55 RPM for fruit-based recipes. The countdown timer prevents overturning disasters. That butter-textured catastrophe where your ice cream separates? The auto shutoff prevents this. Set your time. Walk away. Return to perfect consistency. Independent testing measured impressive results. This processes 0.95 quarts in 28.5 minutes, with texture matching the $300 ICE-100's compressor results. Genuinely significant for a freezer bowl model. That improved paddle design cut processing time 12% versus the ICE-30BC. Faster processing means smaller crystal formation. 2 full quarts feeds 8 people generously. Family gatherings, birthday parties, weekly meal prep batches, real-world entertaining volume that smaller models can't touch. The brushed stainless housing looks premium but weighs 15 pounds loaded. Most users designate permanent counter space rather than moving it constantly. Price fluctuates between $150 and $190. That premium over the ICE-21P, one's $70, buys doubled capacity, programmability, and auto shutoff. For families serving 4+ people regularly, the math works. The risk? Digital components hate moisture. One cleaning mistake where water drips into electronics and that LCD dies. Keep the control panel completely dry. Question: do you value automatic features or prefer bulletproof mechanical simplicity? Tell me why below. Now, if you're thinking 2 quarts sounds perfect, watch this next part carefully. What I'm about to show you changes the math completely. Number 2, Cuisinart ICE-30. BC, pure indulgence, 15 years. This workhorse has been dominating home kitchens for 15 consecutive years. Why? Commercial grade motor torque, meeting 2-quart capacity at an approachable price. That heavy-duty motor generates serious power, genuine commercial-grade torque that never stalls, even with dense nut-loaded bases or thick chocolate chunks. The robust drive system has been tested through thousands of batches without documented failures. The 2-quart bowl measures nearly 8 inches across and over 6 inches tall. The substantial size creates massive thermal mass. Once properly frozen at negative 26 degrees, that bowl maintains freezing temperature longer than competitors. Consistent results even in warm summer kitchens. Real-world reliability defines this model's reputation. Users report 10-year-plus lifespans with regular weekly use. That brushed metal housing survives repeated impacts. The BPA-free components resist degradation. This legitimately becomes a permanent fixture, not disposable. The fully automatic operation means 0 programming required. Pour mixture through the large spout. Switch on. Wait 25 minutes. Switch off. Transfer to container. Complete process. 0 learning curve. But that simplicity sacrifices precision. No built-in timer means manual monitoring. No speed settings mean denser gelato requires recipe adjustments. One-size-fits-all approach works, but lacks finesse. Sound levels match the ICE-21P1. Noticeable, but tolerable. That powerful motor generates audible hum. Running this during movie night requires volume compensation. The price, around $70 to $100, makes this exceptional value. You're paying for capacity and proven durability, not fancy features. For families prioritizing reliability over technology, this represents smart economics. Every model so far requires overnight freezer prep. That 24-hour wait kills spontaneity. But number 1 removes that limitation completely. Number 1, Cuisinart ICE-100. This costs 3 times more than the ICE-21P1. Testing shows marginally smoother ice cream. So why is this number 1? Built-in compressor. No pre-freezing, no waiting 24 hours, no planning ahead. Walk into your kitchen right now. Mix ingredients. Press start. Restaurant quality gelato in 30 minutes. That commercial grade compressor maintains negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit continuously. Temperature never rises. Freezing never stops. This creates ideal crystallization throughout the entire cycle. 2 dedicated paddles control air incorporation. Ice cream paddle produces 25% overrun. Gelato paddle creates authentic Italian density with minimal air. Lab testing revealed the paddle gap, smaller than competitors, scrapes frozen cream faster. This prevents large crystal formation. Result? Texture rivaling artisan gelato shops. Keep cool function maintains temperature 10 minutes post-churn, prevents melting while you prep containers. 60-minute countdown timer with auto shutoff prevents overchurning. The reality? 32 pounds. Not portable, requires dedicated space. $300 represents serious investment demanding commitment to regular use. But for enthusiasts making frozen desserts weekly, this transforms hobby into lifestyle. Back-to-back batches without waiting. Experimental recipes, dinner party showpieces, 3-year warranty, replacement parts available, customer service responsive. There's your roadmap. ICE-21P1 wins for most buyers. Unbeatable value backed by lab testing. ICE-100 suits. Serious enthusiasts craving convenience. Your perfect match depends on your needs. Links are in the description. Grab your model, make something incredible. See you next time.